My grandpa is 104. He worked until he was 100. His workday lunch was a fortress, practical, delicious, and surprisingly nutritious. So it's perfect lunch for anyone busy who still wants healthy option. And there's even one ingredient that might surprise you. So today, I'm recreating it. Let's get started.
To recreate my grandfather's lunch, I went to learn from my grandmother because I never made it before. But when I saw it, I found it was surprisingly simple and honestly too good not to share, and I'm happy to share it with you now. First, we thinly slice the cabbage. My grandmother says it helps with digestion. Especially after 90, she told me cutting food smaller becomes more important than ever. Then lightly steam it to soften it. Next, finely chop the parsley. It adds a fresh aroma to the dish. Then slide the tomato. Place the steamed cabbage on a plate and add a shokupan. Then top it with a slice of cheese. And finally, the secret ingredient, canned fish. In Japan, there are many types, but my grandfather always chooses the teriyaki one. And that's it. Just heat it up. And it's ready. You might be surprised how quick it is, but this was his real workday lunch. This recipe was designed so my grandfather could make it on his own. Simple but still delicious and nutritious. He actually ate this until he was 100 while he was still working. He always had it with one more thing, miso soup. I learned some important tips from my grandmother, so I'll show you that next. By the way, my grandpa uses smartphone, and when he was still working, he even joined meetings on his computer. It probably wasn't easy to keep up with modern technology, but he's always been someone who tried new things without hesitation. Maybe that's one of the reasons he stayed so young.
If you enjoyed my grandparents' story, I think you might like my other videos such as his daily breakfast or Japanese longevity myth. So check them out later. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next one.